In order to get to the Android side of your ClearTouch, there are two options. The first is to click on your Gears button and to click on Android. This will take you to your Android side. We'll go back to our PC so you can see the second way that you can get to your Android side is by pushing the Home button right here on your ClearTouch. This house, the Home, is always your Android home. So when you click your house or your home, you are going to your Android home. This side is separate from the computer, the PC that is on your ClearTouch. It is also separate from your laptop that is on your docking station. So separately, you need to make sure that you are connected to the internet as well as authenticated within your Android side. If you are having any trouble, these are the two things that you need to check on. First, you'll want to go to your settings and go to Wi-Fi. And this is off, so this would have given me trouble. So I want to make sure my Wi-Fi is on. And I want to connect to my private, not my public. You will not have to put a password in. You can simply connect. Oh, we don't want that. We want to forget the public and we're on the private. We want to connect to our private. Connected. Now we can go back and back again. So we have connected to the internet. The second thing we need to do is, again, we need to authenticate. We're going to open the browser. And up here, we are going to, once again, go to lsaccess.me/logout. We will log back in again. And authenticate. Now that we have connected to the internet and authenticated on Lightspeed, everything should be working properly. I'm going to push the Home button to go back to the Android Home. At this point, your options in Android are to go to the ClearTouch store, which is it is an Android store. It's not exactly the same as Google Play, but you're allowed to search for different things, different games. Anything that you find and that you want to download, you are welcome to download and you are welcome to use. So let's say that I download Kahoot. So how do I find Kahoot after it's downloaded? I'm going to go back to the home of my Android, my home page. And down here will be 9 little dots of awesome. So in these little 9 dots of awesome, this will be all the Android apps that are installed on the Android side of my ClearTouch. So here will be everything that you have installed when you're looking for it. Back to my home. I also have a browser. We don't recommend it. It's not the best considering all your other options. We have a Finder. This is where you will find your notes that you have saved. When you clicked on the little arrow here and you clicked on the green easel, it took you to Notes, which was the Android side. And if you were to save it, then this is where you would look to find it. Again, you would go to your Android Home and you would go to Finder, and if you put it in your Notes file, then you should see it here. So let's go back to the Android Home. In order to get to the note or whiteboard section, remember you just click on the arrows on the side and then you will click on the green easel. This you can write on. This is an Android app. You can save it. You can save it. You can import. You can have new ones. You can change your background, have different colors. You can explore with this note and see what you need to do. One quick tip, if you would like to add a page, you would click plus. Now you have 2 pages if you'd like another page. Now let's say you'd like to get rid of page 1. This is page 3, page 2, page 1. But I'd like to get rid of page 2. I click right here on my pages, and this shows me all of them. I can now get rid of the second page if I'd like. Now if you save this, you will find it in the Android side because this is an Android app. This is the third part of your ClearTouch.